In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate or clone Shopify page template. Duplicating a page template is a great way to reuse a layout. Keep your branding consistent and experiment safely without changing your live pages. It's perfect for setting up multiple landing pages that share the same structure or testing design variations while the original stays untouched. By the end, you'll have a clean copy of an existing template that you can customize independently. Start by going to Shopify.com and signing in to your store's admin. Make sure you're in the right store and that your account has permission to edit themes and templates. If you manage multiple stores or themes, take a quick moment to confirm you're working on the one you want, since the duplicate you create will belong to that specific theme. From the left sidebar, click Online Store. This opens the theme area where your page templates are managed. If you have more than one theme, select the theme you plan to use. Keeping this in mind helps you avoid copying the wrong template or editing a theme that isn't live yet. Next, find the list of page templates. Locate the template you want to copy, then click the three-dot options menu next to it. Those three dots reveal the actions available for that template. If you don't immediately see them, hover over the template's name or open the section for pages until that menu appears. The goal here is simply to access the template's action menu. In that menu, choose Duplicate. Shopify will instantly create a copy of the selected template. You'll see the duplicate appear with a name that indicates it's a copy. For clarity and organization, consider renaming it to something descriptive like landing and about or promo FAQs so you can recognize it at a glance later. The layout and section settings from the original are preserved, giving you a safe starting point for changes. From here, you can customize the duplicate without affecting the original. When you're ready to use it on a page, open that page in your admin and select the new template from the Theme Template dropdown. If you don't see the template, make sure you duplicated the correct template type for pages and that you're working in a theme that supports JSON templates. Quick tips as you wrap up: maintain a consistent naming convention, duplicate before large design changes to keep a fallback, and preview your duplicate on a draft page to confirm sections and APA blocks look right. That's the entire process. Go to Online Store, open the templates options via the three dots, and choose Duplicate. Simple, safe, and fast.